How to find the best stocks for swing trading. Swing trading is a bit of a twist from regular trading. The main difference is that it is usually a type of financial exchange for which stocks are held for more than a day at a time. The main factor affecting swing trading activity is price fluctuations. A move is usually made when the stock hits as close as possible to its baseline. This is a bit more advanced financial product exchange strategy. However, it can work at the right time for the savviest investors. It might help to learn a little bit more about the process of trading strategy in order to learn when it would work for you. Regarding the process of swing trading, timing is everything. Making a move right when you need to make it is vital to your success when involved in this type of transaction. The two basic moves that are related to swing trading are either to go long or to go short, depending upon how the current market plays out. The key is to exit the trade at the precise moment, not too soon and not too late. In order to make it using swing trading techniques, make sure you understand fully how this strategy works. Otherwise, you could cost yourself more than one unnecessary loss. Be very careful as you participate using these techniques. If you implement these tips at the right time, you could make steady gains. However, it does not mean that you will never experience a loss. If you can hold out as you try out this particular strategy, it would be to your advantage. This of course takes discipline and patience, which is a must anyway in the trading world. The swing trading strategy works best for people who perform dozens of stock transactions a day. This is when the loss is most often minimized. If you want to use this exchange technique, it would be best to use it during a moderate and steady market. It is not one of those that works well in a bull or bear market state. It does not work well to bring investors gains during extreme market changes. As mentioned already, beginning, intermediate and advanced traders have used the swing trading strategy. The main attraction to using this technique is the fact that the loss in doing so is often far less than for other times. There is of course only one disadvantage of using this strategy. It is a bit more complicated and harder to get used to using than more straightforward techniques.